So today's set for trucking and farming. If we get it anywhere, oh, that's not the right. It's the wrong camcorder. It's the wrong position. Everything's wrong except the radio. Cybernet Beta 2000. These use the Cybernet 135 chassis. I'll just see whether I can move this camera without it falling off its perch. That could work better. Cybernet 135 chassis, as found in the Radio and Build 201, the Cybernet Beta 1000, and this, the 2000. High performance set. And we will see if Mr. Chippie is out there. The annoying feature is concentric squelch. The inner's the volume, outer is the squelch. Tango 21 test. Roger. Right, we'll plug our extension speaker in.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Roger, I'm ready, I'm plugged in.
Roger, off we go.
Roger, dodger. We've also got the factory original mic, which we'll take out of the packet especially for the on-the-air test to the base station at the end.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, on this radio, we've got a tone control.
Roger that, so I'm heading up
Bassy,
the lane towards the end of
treble,
it. Now
bassy,
the
treble.
packing place and doggy daycare, which appears to be in use.
Roger on that. You'll notice this works as, we use the wrong term, but we'll say modulation meter when you're talking.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger, you're starting to get noisy. Well, I'll check the connector, but you know.
Yep, roger that.
Passing Ancaster service station, 140.9 and 165.9.
Roger on that, and I'm back with you.
Roger that, that sounds okay.
Yeah, I've plumped up the aerial connector.
Roger. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
We've already got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on the Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on the
Cybernet Beta 2000 radio from 1981. Uses the Cybernet 135 chassis, and I'm on a standard replacement mic ready to full forward out from this.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Dodger.
Over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, so on this Cybernet Beta 2000 from 1981, using the Cybernet 135 chassis, doing the 4 watt output and doing 1.3 amps. I'm on a standard replacement mic. We're going to go to low power speed set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we are on 400 milliwatts, ready to transfer the 550 milliamps current. Now we go back to full power, and there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power, low power, noisy but legible.
Roger, nice, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, it's now identical to Ancaster, 140.9 and 165.7, so it's slightly different, 0.2 out.
Roger on that. Well, was an absolute treat. Thanks very much.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
Go 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, it's now identical to Ancaster, 140.9 and 165.7. That's a slightly different 0.2 out.
Roger on that. Well, that was an absolute treat. Thanks very much.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. There we go. That's lovely. Right, we'll go through to our base station and we'll also use the factory original mic, which I've tested to PA, so I know it actually works.
Tango 21, testing the Cybernet Beta 2000 into our Midland 76900 base station, which uses a Cybernet 134 chassis, whereas this uses a Cybernet 135 chassis. So, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll go on to low power as a home test. There we are on low power, doing 400 milliwatts, testing 1, 2, 3. Back to full power, now we'll change mics for the factory original. And testing the Cybernet original microphone into the radio, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go to low power, there we are back on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, and there we are back on full power. So there we go, thank you for watching. I'm not sure what we've got tomorrow, but there we are. The Cybernet